Morning, students. Today we are going to study our chapter 2, that is hardware and software. Now, children, you know that computer is a miracle machine. What is the meaning of miracle? Means it is a magic machine. You can do anything. You can do various types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The various components that make up a computer system can be broadly classified into two parts, and that is hardware and software, as you see on your screen. Now we will study in deep what is hardware. The physical parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. As the outer parts of a body are visible, it means the things that you can see and touch, but the parts like brain, lungs, heart, etc., which are inside cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware which are outside, example, monitor, keyboard, etc. They are connected to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. You can see them only when you open the body of a CPU box. Example, hard disks, CPU chip, etc. Hardware of a computer is divided into three parts, that is, number 1 input, number 2 output, and number 3 is storage device. Now what is input device? There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers or pictures into a computer. These are called input devices. Example, a keyboard, mouse, joystick, Microsoft, etc. Now, light pen. It looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whatever you write on this pad can be seen on the monitor. Just see. Now, trackball. What is trackball? It has a ball on its top as you see in the screen. To move the pointer on the screen, roll the ball with your fingers. Scanner. Now this is the scanner. A scanner copies a picture or text printed on a paper onto the computer. Joystick. It is used for playing games. It helps to move the items on the screen. What is microphone? A microphone is used to record our voice and other sounds into the computer. What is web camera? It is primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with our friends and relatives using internet. Now, these were the parts of input devices. Now, what are output devices? The devices which display the information and results are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, etc. Now, you have seen the monitor. It looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type with the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also shows the processed information. Printer. It prints the output which you have seen on the computer screen on paper. Speaker. What is speaker? Speakers are used to hear music and sound stored in a computer. Now, number third is storage devices. What are storage devices? The devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage device which stored all the work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, pen drive and DVD are used to store information. Now what is CD? CD stands for compact disc. It is a flat, shiny disk that stores a lot of information. What is hard disk? It is a device which stores huge amount of data and information. It presents inside the CPU box. Pen drive. It's very small in size but can store a lot of data and transfer data from one computer to another. It can easily be carried anywhere. Now, students, we will study what is software. Now, above things we had been studying about hardware, and now we come to second part, that is software. Now, software is that part of computer which can be seen but cannot be touched. A set of instructions given to the computer to perform a given task is called software. Children, you must have surely seen a music system. It has parts such as speakers, CDs and pen drive, etc., which we can touch as these are hardware. But have you ever seen the songs recorded on the tape? No, because that is software. Processing is done by software. It takes the input from the user, processes it and displays the output on the monitor. Therefore, we can say that software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. Software is also called a computer program. There are two types of software, that is system software and application software. Now, we'll study what is system software. It is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. An operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It controls all input and output operations. It also handles the link between different parts of a computer and the user. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work. Now, what is application software? The software that does a specific type of work is called an application software. There are different types of application software that helps us in doing different types of jobs. Now, MS Paint used for drawing pictures, WordPad used for typing and making corrections, games they are used for entertainment, and calculators it helps in doing calculations. Now, this is the wrap up of our chapter, students. The two basic components of computer are hardware and software. The parts of computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. A set of instructions given to the computer is called software. System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. The software that is designed to do a specific type of work is called application software. Now, this is the exercise, students, and you have to solve it. Read the chapter carefully and solve the question answer and the other exercise. Now, along with this, I have also given you a worksheet which you will solve and the mentioned activity which you will do. Good day.